Northern Stars, it's Miss Castleman here again with another directed drawing. Today we're gonna try to draw the troll from the Billy Goat Scruff book that Miss Scholl read to you. If you think about what the troll looked like in the book, he was kind of scary looking. He had a big nose, he had big ears, he was hairy, he had sharp teeth. We're gonna try to make our troll look that way when we draw it. But remember that everybody's troll will look a little bit different, and that's okay. I'm just gonna show you some different ways that you can do this with just using simple lines and shapes on your paper. Again, I'm gonna draw in marker so you can see what I do, but I want you guys to draw in pencil, so if you make a mistake, you can erase it, okay? All right, we're gonna start with the top of the troll's head. And we're gonna start over to the left a little bit, but sort of right in the middle of our paper. And we're gonna draw sort of a arcing line, just like that, right from one side to the other. Now we wanna leave space on the sides for the troll's ears. So don't make that too close to the edges. This is the top of the troll's head. And then we're gonna draw his cheeks and his chin, and we're gonna keep using that curved line, okay? So we're gonna start here. We're gonna curve out for one cheek. We're gonna curve down for the chin, and then we're gonna curve out this way for the other cheek. So that's the troll's entire face, okay? At this point, let's do the troll's ears. And if you remember in the story, I think the troll had some really big pointy ears. Not very attractive. I wouldn't want ears like that. So we're gonna try to draw some big pointy ears right here, sticking out the side of our troll's head. And again, I just kind of used a curved line that came up to a point, and then a little bit of a curve going back down to the side of his head. So we'll try to do a similar thing here on the other side. Nice, big, scary, ugly troll ears. And then we always do the inside part of the ear. So for this guy, let's just use a line. See how this line kind of follows along with this one? Kind of goes the same direction. Then I'm going to come about halfway down and do a curved the other way. And that kind of looks like the inside part of the ear. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'll make a long line that kind of follows this line, and then start halfway down and make a curved line going the other way. So that kind of looks like hollow ears. And then we might want to color the inside of that black when we get to the end. Okay, now we're gonna do the big nose on our troll. So we're gonna come into the middle of our troll's face, and we're just gonna make a big circle right in the middle of his face. Now, some of you guys learned about perspective this year in art class, and we talked about how we could make things look like they were going farther away from us, or we could make things look like they were popping out towards us. This big nose is sticking right out towards us. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come behind it and make a curved line, and then another curved line like a wrinkle. That way it kind of looks like that nose is sticking out at us, okay? So that's his big troll nose. And then on either side of this nose, we're gonna do his big eyes. Okay, so, and I want my eyes to kind of come right up next to the nose. So we're gonna do a circle, but part of the circle is gonna be overlapping with the nose. And we learned a little bit about overlapping shapes this year in art class. So I'm gonna start